Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks manually in Hubspot. To do that, you first need to head over to your Sales section and locate Tasks. If it's not there, you can also find it by going to other options such as Contacts, Marketing, and other tools under the CRM. So locate Tasks and click on it. Once you're in there, head over and click on the Create Task option. Creating tasks manually is especially useful when you want to stay organized, follow up with leads on time, or manage your daily sales activities more efficiently. Tasks help ensure that nothing falls through the cracks, whether it's a call, email, or meeting. By setting clear priorities and due dates, you can better manage your workload and keep your pipeline moving smoothly. Now, just enter your task details, such as the title. For example, let's input right here, Introduction. Choose the task type. We have to do, email, and call. Choose the priority, and then associate this task with the records that you want. Now assign this to a person, and you can also assign it to a queue if you want, as well as set a due date right here. You can also set this task to repeat if needed. Once you're done, head over and click on Create. So that's all there is today. Manually creating tasks like this is a simple but powerful way to stay on top of your sales and CRM activities in HubSpot. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more HubSpot tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.